Dear students, you are welcome to learn how to pronounce the Hindi letters. First one is swar. It means vowels. In English, there are only 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. But in Hindi, there are 13 vowels. Now I am going to read one by one. A, A, I, E, U, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au, Ah. Again I repeat. A, A, I, E, U, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au, Ah. Now listen students. Do you know the method of writing the Hindi letters? See, first you have to write the letters and then only you have to put the line on the letters. Are you following? Yes. First write the letters and then put the line on the letters. This is only the correct method of writing the Hindi letters. Okay. The next one. The second one is Vyanjan, consonants. I am going to read this one by one. Please follow me and take note of the pronunciation also. Ka, K-A, Ka. K-H-A, Kha, Kha. The sound comes from the throat. Ga, G-A, Ga. Gha, G-H-A, Gha. Nya, Nya. Cha, C-H-A, Cha. Cha, C-H-H-A, Cha. Ja, J-A, Ja. J-H-A, Jha, Jha. Nya. The first Nya and the second Nya, there is small difference. The first Nya, you have to give force. Nya, Nya. The second Nya, you have to sound as mildly. Nya, Nya. Ta, T-A, Ta. Ta, T-T-A, Ta. Da, D-A, Da. Dha, D-D-A, Da. Na, Na, N-A, Na. Ta, T-H-A, Ta. Tha, T-H-H-A. Dha, D-H-A, Dha. D-H-H-A, Dha, Dha. Na, N-A, Na. Pa, P-A, Pa. Next one is Fa, Fa, P-H-A. Here P is silent, so we pronounce this as Fa, Fa. Bha, B-A, Bha, 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 B-H-A. Ma, M-A, Ma. Ya, Y-A, Ya. Ra, R-A. La, L-A. Va, V-A. Sh, S-S-H-A, Sh, Sh. S-H-A, Sh. Sa, S-A, Sa. Ha, Ha. Ch, K-S-H-A, Ch. Tra, T-H-R-A, Tra. Nya, Gya. It is not